Do you want to write with precision, speak comfortably, and become a more well rounded communicator in academic and professional environments? EPIC is here for you. EPIC is an academic support center that serves international students and scholars. We provide tailored and goal oriented support for busy, high achieving individuals like you. EPIC will meet your needs wherever you are to help you achieve your goals and build confidence to be yourself in English. We offer academic and professional language support through three main services: workshops, a speaking group, and a writing group. Our hands on workshops focus on academic skills, communication, research writing, and career development. The speaking group offers opportunities to talk to a diverse community of speakers while enhancing your cultural understanding of North American communication patterns. And our writing group provides a quiet environment to unlock your writing abilities with the support of a language specialist. Now, if what you need is targeted feedback and support, bring your own work to our individual consultations, where you will be able to talk to a language specialist about your own project. We welcome people from a range of disciplines, and here's what they've said about the benefits of working with EPIC on their writing and presentation skills, on their job search, in gaining confidence while speaking, and on their pronunciation. Our team of language specialists are prepared to provide you with effective and customized support. Visit our website to learn more and to sign up for weekly updates. Scan the QR codes on the screen for details about our services or to join our mailing list. You can also email us at eppic.la.psu.edu for more information. Come to EPIC and be yourself in English.